So hey, hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you how to implement a Python program that counts the number of words in a file, text file basically. So that's what I'm going to do. So currently I have an empty Python project over here. So for basically opening a file, the command is f equal to open your file name and the mode that you're going to open. So we're going to only read, okay? We're not going to write anything, so it's going to be R. Okay, so this is basically the standard syntax for opening any file. So before opening, we need to have a file. So just go to the folder where you have this program. So as you can see here, my program name is mypro.py. So this is the folder where I have saved that program. So it's always better to have the program file and the folder and your file name in the same folder, because if you don't have, the Python can't access this if it's not present in the same folder. But and you need to give the entire path. Okay, you must be careful over there if you aren't using the same folder. So just create a new text file. It's going to be new text document. Let me name it as 123 and just go inside it and type some random words. Okay, I think that's good. So how many words are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 words are there. So just save it and just go to our Python code. So this is in the same folder, so I don't need to give the full path, like this C, the root folder directory. I can directly give just the name of the file. So this is advantage of having it in the same folder. Okay, so not txt. Okay, so that's good. We have given the name of the text. Now we have to access the contents. For accessing it, we will use the read function. So it we call content C equal to f dot read. So if I print C now, so you'll be just getting the contents of the file. So how to count it? So it's also a very simple method. What you need to do is that we need to declare another variable, let d list l. Okay, l is going to be list. Okay, l equal to c dot split. So what split does is that it takes the number of strings or sentence of strings and just converts them into array of strings. Okay, that's what it does. Now just run this code, you will get a clear view. Okay, I didn't run that. So we just put print l and run it. So this is what the difference, that's what I'm saying. It just converts it into a list containing one full of, okay, strings. So this is just the read command, read function that we have given here. And the second one is I'm printing by using c.split. So it basically gets all the words inside a list. So this makes it very easy for us to do. So here after it's just the basic stuff. Just we are going to count the number of words. So that's really easy. So let us have a temporary variable count equal to 0 and put for I in L, count equal to count plus 1 and print C, print count. Okay, so this loop will run the number of times I is in L. I refers to the number of elements or strings present in the list L. So this will be running till it reaches the end last word. Okay, so that's this code. I think it's a very obvious code, basic code in Python. I hope you understand that. And if I just run it, so I'm getting the number of words count as 7. So this is how you find the number of words, count of words present in a text file. So that's it for this video. I've done also many tutorials in C, C++, Java, Blender, Unity. Do check out my other videos of my channel and subscribe and support me. Thanks for watching.